Hello hoppers and welcome to MuchoHop. I'm at VidCon Europe. It is so exciting. I've been thinking of going to the one in California, but you know, it's so expensive to get over there and it's very far away. This is the second year that they're having it in Europe, and because it's right here in Amsterdam and it's, you know, just a 1 hour flight away from me, I decided to come. But you know, I was really hesitant. I was very undecided until the very last moment. I wasn't sure if I was gonna get a lot out of it as a creator. I wanted to show you guys what VidCon was like, because when I was trying to decide whether to come or not, I watched a few videos. I wasn't convinced. I'm glad I got to see it myself, so now I have a very clear picture of what this is like. And actually, some of you might not know what VidCon is. Well, it's a conference for people or industries who are into online video. I want to remind you that people make videos not just to be on YouTube. People make videos for business, for work. So there are two tracks. There's the industry track and there is the creator track. I wasn't sure which one to get. The industry track is $5.99. It's really expensive. You're entitled to go to all the talks in the industry track and in the creator track. And then there's a creator track, and that was $1.99, I think. I'll confirm it in print. And that was a day and a half. Plus then you have to add hotel, airfare, train, whatever whatever transport you're using. So I really had to think about it. I did get my industry badge because it entitles me to go to the 3 days of VidCon, so I could get the most out of it. I figured if I'm gonna be here, I might as well, you know, get the whole shebang. I'm staying at the hotel where the convention is taking place. It's just easier for me. I don't have to worry about transportation and like being late for a meeting or whatever, or if I want to take some time off, I just go up to my room. You know, it's just easier for me. But you know, we're pretty far away. Not far, I mean, it's a 22-minute walk. I timed it. It's 22 minutes. It's not a big deal, but if you have 1 hour for lunch and it's 22 minutes to go that way, 22 minutes to get back, you know, the whole hour is practically over. So you know, there's some, like a little stand that they have here, sandwiches and and there's a store outside that's always packed because it's the only store around for lunch. So these are all the lectures that you can go to, all the talks that you can go to. You see, there's lots. By the end of the day, you're sort of tired. So they're basically 2 big rooms, and then there are a few little ones for like smaller meetings. Meeting yesterday that was really interesting. You get to meet a lot of people who are doing the same thing you are. This place is really cool. They have 2 rooms where you can set up meetings with industry or with other creators. There's an app called Brella. You have to say what you are looking for and what you have to offer, and then the other person will do the same thing, and if you guys match, well, you can arrange a meeting, which is really, really good. I had a few. I have one right now, actually, and it's a great way of meeting people. I've been stood up, and it's interesting that the talk that this person is going to give has a lot to do with what she shouldn't be doing.
To I can do together with YouTube is making money off YouTube doesn't necessarily mean just AdSense or brand deals, but using those skills for something else.
Okay, so I think I showed you guys enough. I'm gonna go to my room. See, the elevators are right there. It's really convenient. I love it. My room. So that's the train station right there. It's 22 minutes to get there, walking. You can also take a tram. There's a train that goes directly to the airport. The VidCon in Anaheim, California is huge, and that's the one that's like really popular. This is the second year that it's in Europe. I think Amsterdam is a really good city for this because it's very cosmopolitan. There are very good connections, like there's a direct flight from Los Angeles. I know that because I've taken that flight. And it's very centrally located in Europe. So I think, yeah, another thing is that a lot of people speak English here. And because the talks are all in English, I think Amsterdam is a good choice. In the VidCon in US, they have a third track, which is the community track. And that's where all the fans come to see the YouTubers, for example, or, you know, people that they follow. But we don't have the community track in this year in Europe. Last year they did have it, and they removed it for some reason. I don't know the details. So I'm gonna go back down to listen to the next talk.
Go! Yes, what's your most interesting theory?
Oh, they're all so good.
10 seconds!
You need to be diligent about that stuff because it is still sort of, unfortunately, the wild west with contracts.
Okay, they also have like a few little booths here of different brands that are talking about their products. So, but not too many, just a few, very few. Hi guys. I'm going to show you guys the coolest room in this whole place.
Oh, there's a rich kid of
I love how they have a fan. So now I have to think, have I made the right decision to come here? To come to VidCon in Europe? VidCon, you know, I think if you're in industry, you'll get a lot out of it. If you're a creator, you know, I think it's very expensive to come all the way over here. You spend the money on airfare, trains, hotels, food, whatever, and registration. And just to maybe like hear a few talks and to meet a few people, maybe not. A lot of the information that I heard today, I already knew from watching videos on YouTube. I'll be honest. Creator Academy has a lot of great videos. And then there are a lot of YouTubers that do lots of videos on how to optimize your YouTube channel. So I'm looking at it from a YouTuber point of view. If you're in industry, I think you could get a lot out of it. You can make a lot of connections. You can meet a lot of interesting people. So I think for the people who are using video as a serious marketing strategy, I recommend VidCon to those people. And you want to work hard on optimizing your channel and making something out of your channel, I also recommend it. In my case, I sort of do this for the fun of it, and I don't want to take the fun out of it. You know what I mean? No, well, I mean, I did enjoy it. Don't get me wrong. I absolutely enjoyed it, and I'm glad I did it. But I don't think I'll come next year, unless something changes in my objectives for my channel. Then maybe I will want to come. But for right now, the way I have my channel, I don't think I would come back. I did register to the industry track because I wanted to get the full effect, you know, and show you guys what it was like. So I wanted to see the industry and the creator, but maybe next time I would just get the creator. But I did learn a lot of stuff from the industry track. So I think I'd just rather do tourism in Amsterdam.
All right, everybody, this is the closing creator keynote for VidCon 2018 in Europe. What I'm going to do is introduce our first speaker, Anna Kana. Big round of applause.
Hi everyone, how's it going? My name is Anna Kana. I've been a content creator for about 8 years now.
We've accumulated over 11 billion views across our 3 channels, Smosh Pit, and Smosh Games. Oh, thank you.
Hi, so for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jana. I make YouTube videos and I also am the head of social at Jana Creations, which is a company.
My 4th microphone of VidCon.
Thinking like, I'm okay with my nerves. I don't think I can be any more nervous than that. And then they're like, oh, we're going to put you after that presentation. It's like, oh, I was wrong.
Father of VidCon, I'm going to call it father of VidCon, the brother of VidCon, the uncle of VidCon, the midwife of VidCon, I don't know what you want to call it. But you guys all know what I'm talking about. Please welcome to the stage, Mr. Hank Green.
I'm really looking forward to my new business cards. Let's say, Hank Green, midwife of VidCon.
Thank you, everybody, and we will see you at a VidCon very soon, somewhere in the future. I hope and I know. Thanks a lot.
So now I have a very clear picture of what this is like, and maybe if the situation of my channel changes, maybe I will come next year. But if I leave things as they are, I probably won't. That's just me though, okay? That's just me. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys real soon in the next one. Bye!